Hello, traders! Welcome back. I'm Adelina, and we're gonna do live trading today. We're gonna focusing on active trading, intraday trading, on Dow Jones, gold, NQ. We're gonna break down price action trading, support, resistance, market structure, trade entries and exits, risk management, trading psychology in real time. So, thank you for joining me. Welcome, welcome. Please like if you are here, thumbs up. If you're not, you're missing out. Let me get my hands free. Nobody. Nobody, 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 nobody. Hello, Scotty. How are you? Welcome. How is your weekend? How was your weekend? Sorry. I'm slowly getting boiled alive in a crypto bloodbath. So you start trading crypto? Hello, you are back. My accountant is back. He's gonna count how many wins and how many losses I have. Just in case I forget. Just in case I forget. Let's make some. Let's. Let me see something. I'm invested about when I was back in October for my supranation. What did you invest in it? In what crypto? Oh, okay. But crypto is just like that, so I'm sure you're not gonna, if you invest in a good crypto, you're not gonna lose those money. But crypto is very volatile. So, Solana. I think Solana is actually good. It's strong. Okay, so we see the price is around the EMA. I did mark some. Do you guys hear the music? I tried to make it because I don't know how to put music in a stream. So I mark here some areas to watch. This is an area, the price crossed the area break, and now I see it retested. It retested the EMA, so I can go in a long. Let me go on my camera. I don't want to miss it. And we can get a 2. Let's see. It will bounce, no worries. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Let's see. Okay, so let's see this entry. He didn't get me in right here, but I get it in a cash account. That's the entry. Now I'm watching to see how it reacts here. So how is everybody doing? How was your weekend? Here in Florida is a cold weekend. Very cold, guys. You can see I'm with my hoodie on. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. It's cold, yeah. Okay, so this is my entry. I am in on a cash account, but here it did not get me in, so but this is the entry. Hey Marianne, how are you? Good afternoon. How you doing? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm watching this trade. Hopefully, I start this week better than last week. It no entry on this account. Let me show you. It is an entry, but it's on my cash account. 1 second. Like to share. That's the entry. I'm $100 in. Okay, so this is the entry. I am in on a live account. Okay, but now I'm gonna switch back the screen to the US 30. Why did you place a market order? Because I was busy to go into my cash account and place it there, and then I lost it in this account. So it doesn't matter. It like this, so you guys just know. At this point, I move my stop loss here. You know what? Let's just watch it on a camera because I feel like a trader. Here we go. Um, boom, boom, boom. Not indicators. I want to see what did I mark here. These areas and these areas. Let's see how price is going to react. Hello, Harpa. Hello, how are you? Hello, Jason. I am great. How are you? How you guys doing? Let me put back to two. This. Okay, this is a two. But let me put just this here. Confirm. At this point, I'm losing my stop. I'm putting my stop loss just here. Here we go. Let it run. Yes, Harper, I'm in a buy. Once I saw the price. Okay, this is the future side. Okay, so once I saw the price break, this is an area, the white line. The price break that line. It come back, retested, price above the EMA. It also retested the EMA. I got in. It's US 30 still, but you're probably gonna have different numbers here because this is futures, okay? But now that everybody's seeing the trade, I'm in a trade, I'm just gonna show you on US 30 because some of you don't have futures. In order to have live candles on future, I think you have to pay. So if you don't have it, you're gonna be behind. So I'm just gonna show you on a US 30, the chart, okay? You saw the trade. I was kidding. Here we go. And this is the US 30. Everybody has US 30. It's no delay. So now my stop loss is right here. Yeah, just here I put my stop loss. I'll mark it with red, okay? When I move my stop loss. So I'm in profit no matter what. I'm waiting to break this. See how it's going to. Yeah, everything good. No complaints. Life is good. Just a little cold. Okay, looks like the price wants to reject this area. Let's see. I might just close the position. You said after fifth loss, you are back. Finally. Let's forget last week, guys. Let's forget it. It did not exist. Okay, we forget that last week. Let's just start counting from this week. Last week was crazy. And it wasn't five stop losses because a lot of them I didn't actually took it. Two, I think two. I did not actually took it. The system did not work. The broker, sorry, did not work. Okay, send her back. Move my stop loss. Just below here. Let's put it just here. Hello, Ramesh. Hello, hello. I am good. How are you? Hmm? How is your trading going? You trading? First day of the week, how is it going? This week, I hope it's gonna go good. It started good. At this point, it started with a profit no matter what. So it's good. Last week wasn't as good, guys. I did not have no day, no winning day last week. Every day was a losing day. Some day I was lucky my broker did not work. So actually you couldn't see it in the account, but it still was a losing. I don't want to find excuses though, but last week I was sick. I was dealing with the flu. Um, I was feeling low too. And you see that in my trading, which is crazy, which is crazy. I'm still not 100%, but if you guys a little sick, having a little flu or not, don't trade. Just rest. Okay, so it looks like the price wants to break the high. We can move the stop loss just here. Let's see. Just below this week, so it's a breathe. We give the price a breathe. How is it gold doing? Love your vibe, by the way. Thank you, Jason. Thank you. Do, 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 do. What is the minimum amount of dollar we can start decent trading full time? First of all, to start trading full time, you need to be to have a good strategy and to be very level mentally, like to accept. Second, depends what do you consider, uh, like where you from, Ramesh? Exactly. I don't know. Like for example, how much is a salary in dollars in your country? Like how much you'll be okay a salary in India. What about, I don't know, how much is $1,000 worth in India? Like it's a salary, it's a less than a salary. Your target is 49,470. Okay. This is the two. This is the initial two that I took. Like here. Like this was whatever. This is the two, so I'm waiting for my two, 1 to 2, remember? But yeah, you go. 270. 470. Oh, you wanted to go to 470. Let me see what's at 470. Okay. Yeah, that's a good target. I have enough capital, but how much minimal capital we can go with? Oh, depends how much money you want to make. So for example, if you trade futures, to buy a mini contract, you need $50 minimum to buy one contract, right? But $50, okay, so if you lose $1, they automatically close your position. So if you want to make $50, you kind of need like $100 for contract, so you have space, right? So if you want to buy 10 contracts, how much is that? $1,000. I think with $1,000 you can make $50 a day, risking 25 or 20 on a future side. And you just do mini. And if you make $50 a day, let's say 20 days is a working day, you're not gonna have winning days every day. Let's say you 70% of the time you win. Let's do a calcul. So there are 20 days that you can trade. 14 days, let's say you are profitable and you make $50, and that's $700, 14 days. And the other 6 days you lose 150. So 700 minus 150, you can make somewhere $550 with this thing. But now depends if it's enough $550 for you in India a month. And then you just double it, with $2,000 investment you can make $1,000, think like that. But again, with a very, very, very good strategy, and the mindset needs to be on point. Because what I said right here, it's based on perfection. Let's see how the price is gonna react to this white line, and we're gonna close it, the position. But before you go full time, prove yourself you are profitable over a bigger amount of time. Wait for at least a year with constant profits. Are you compounding 50K to 1 million in a year? Why you say that? Because I said how much can you make a month with 50K? You can make, yeah, it's very possible to make from 50K to 1 million. It's possible. But again, trading is not just about that. I'm just saying, in a perfect world, when you're following a clear strategy and a clear rules, you can. Definitely you can. But it's very hard to follow it. You know what I mean? Because again, you're compounding, but then when you get to a position, with 50K, let's say you manage a position $250 or so to risk, right? But then you're compounding, and then that position becomes $2,000 risking. Your mindset is already not there anymore. Your mindset's, it's very hard to get from risking $20 to risking $200 to risking $2,000. It's very hard. So you can't. It's possible to do it in a year, but it's very hard mentally. Because then when you're gonna see in your account you get from 50,000 to 100,000, you're gonna have that fear of keep risking and losing. It's gonna grow exponential too. You understand? It makes sense what I'm saying. Okay, so my stop loss is this red wine, red line. I heard stories, for example, people that grow their account from $3,000 to $30,000. Like they grow their account 10 times more. But once they got to the $30,000, their mindset wasn't there anymore because you risk now, you go into bigger trades. So they lost it all. Same with here. It's possible to go from 50 to 1 million, but it's very hard mentally to manage a trade. You need more than a year to master the mindset for that. I took profits on US 30 today. Okay, where did you go? Where did you enter, Jason? You enter with me or before, or when did you enter? I think the price is having problem to break the 200, 49, 200. That's a psychological level. Let's see. You missed the entry. It's fine. There will be another one. He said, that's why I missed the entry. That's why probably I should block you, send back. He's like, I should block you because you are not my lucky charm. How you call that? You're the opposite of lucky charm. Yes. I'm joking. But you said last week you took all the trades that I took. And all the time you took the trade with me, I'm losing it. And now that you miss it, look how beautiful this trade went. So what do we get from this story? Everybody, what do you guys think? Is his fault? No, it's not his fault. I'm joking. Mhm. I move my stop loss just here. And I'll close it in a bit. Do you guys hear the music or no? Does it? I move the stop loss right here. And I move the take profit a little bit at the 300. Move the stop loss just below here. I'm going to still trailing it now, so you guys know. It's around this area. Let me see how it's gonna react around this area. And yeah. My stop loss is right here at this point, so you guys know it's right here. Gold is really crazy right now. My thin stop loss strategy is not being used because the EMA movement feels like, yeah, gold is crazy. I mean, after all that rally that happened, it's kind of, here is my stop loss. US 30 is good because its structure is neat and easy to read. Yeah, that's why I like US 30. I like US 30. It's either, that's why I like US 30 too. Here is the stop loss. Okay, it touched my full TP on my account. Yeah, you see it's too. It touched my full TP, guys. I'm still trading it though, very closely. Very, very. In my at most 8:30 in my country, 8:30 in your place. That's the only one that sweep liquidity. 8:30 a.m. or 9:30, I mean, open. You talking about gold or about it's 9:30. 8:30 nothing happened. Or you talking about gold? Okay, so I'm out. My stop loss touched because I'm full TP, guys. That was it for today. Beautiful. I'm going because I'm a little headache. I'm sorry. I'm not. I'm still, the fluid's still here. And I'm a little headache. But thank you for watching. My accountant, please put there, start a new page, February. Because it's February, right? A new page, a new week. Here I enter, my friend. After the rejection of this area and the EMA. Can you see it now? Why it can be seen on a screen? I show you on a screen because on this account I got it on I show you guys. If you go a little bit back, you see I show you on my cash account the entry. But I manage it on US 30. Because I did not enter on Dow Jones. I enter on Dow Jones future. I did not enter on the Forex index, Forex side. I was on the future side, which is YM. You understand, Parhan? If you go 30 minutes before, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll just do 1 hour for live trading on this account from tomorrow on. And after that, I'll do a Spanish version on Hola Prime account. So, yeah, that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. And bye bye. Bye bye bye. You are sick. Yes, I'm a little sick. And then last week I was sick too, but bye bye. You note there, right? You make my accountant, yeah? I don't have to note it myself. I'm putting that on you. Because I usually note myself. Now I trust you to take this responsibility and let me know how many wins and losses I have, yeah? See you tomorrow. Bye.